Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to see your liked posts on Instagram. It is really simple, so let's get started, alright? The first thing I'm going to do is to like a couple of posts here, just to show you that this works in real time, so I'm gonna like this post here. And this one here that's good now to actually go see those like posts. What we need to do is go back to our profile, and to do that, we just click on our profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then once you are back at your profile page, just click on those three lines that are at the top right corner. And then from here, click on your activity. Now this is the page where you will be able to see pretty much all the activity you have done on your account. Now for this video, we want to see all the stuff we liked, and to do that, just click on likes. And now here you will be able to see your liked posts. Now if you want to unlike some of these posts, all you need to do is select the post that you would like to unlike, and then click on that unlike button at the bottom. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.